Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful instant hijab that has ruffles on the edges and was designed using velvet trimmings. So for this particular tutorial, you'll be needing 1 yard of Lycra fabric or any stretchy fabric of your choice. You are going to fold it into 2 along the 60 inches edges. You fold it into 2, then you lay it down. From your folded edge, you are going to measure 12 inches downward, which is for your face circumference, and on the lower end of your fabric, you are going to go in by 8 or 10 inches depending on how smart you want the front part of your hijab to be. Then you are going to cut it from that face opening down to the 10-inch mark that you made downwards. You will cut it on a slant this way. After cutting it out, the next thing is for you to take your front measurement. You place the edge of your tape rule on the folded edge, which is the midpoint of your face circumference, and you are going to measure it from the folded edge down to the 12-inch mark that you made for your face circumference. Then from that side, you are going to continue measuring it on the slanted line to get your front hijab length. Front measurement, which is 32 inches. After taking your front measurement, you are going to fold your fabric into 2 again this way diagonally, and then you'll be taking your side measurement, which will be 22 inches along this edge. So you will use your scissors to notch that part that is meant for your side measurement. After notching your side measurement, you are going to open your fabric back. Then you cut from your front measurement down to your side measurement this way. So for the back measurement, you'll be taking it along the folded edge this way, and you'll be taking 34 inches for your back length, and you're going to cut it out in this shape as shown in the video. Don't forget to notch the midpoint, which is meant for half of your face circumference. So for your hijab cap, you are going to fold it into 4 first because I want it to be a bit padded. Then you are going to fold it into 2 this way. For the hijab cap height, I'll be using 4 inches, and for the width, I'll be using 7 inches. I'll cut it out and also notch the midpoint of my hijab cap. So for the ruffles on the edges of my hijab, I'm going to cut several strips of fabric that is 2.5 inches. If you want your ruffles to be wider, then you can use 3 inches wide fabric. Now to the sewing aspect, the first thing you want to do is join your hijab cap to your main hijab body. So you open up your main hijab body up with the right side facing up, and then you'll be attaching your hijab cap to your face circumference with the notch points being on each other. You place the notch point of your hijab cap on the notch point, which marks half of your face circumference, and then you are going to align the sides this way and sew it down. Don't forget to make sure that you fold your hijab cap into 2 with the wrong sides facing each other so that the right side will be outside. After joining your hijab cap to your main hijab body, you are going to fold your face circumference into 2 this way, and then you take half of your face circumference measurement from the hijab cap downwards this way. Mine is 10 inches. I'm going to take that measurement, then I'll sew it down from that part down to the edge of my hijab. After doing that, you are going to lay your hijab down and trim off any excesses that you might have. And then you will be hemming the ends of your hijab before placing the ruffles on it. So after doing that, the 2 inches fabric that I cut out earlier, I joined them together. Then you are going to fold it into 2 with the right sides facing each other, and you are going to sew it. You sew the edges down this way, which will turn it into like a tube. So it is that tube that you will be using to form your ruffles on the edges of your hijab. So a quick tip on how to sew this tube on it for it to be straight is you make sure that the side that has the stitches is on one edge, which is going to be facing downwards this way as shown in the video, so that when you are sewing on it, you know you have to make sure that the stitches is facing downwards so that it is going to be straight and it will not be rumpled in the middle kind of. So you place the edges of your hijab with the right side facing up. you turn your tube inside out with the right side being outside now, and then you are going to make your box pleating the way I'm showing you in the video. Tiny box pleating around the edges of your hijab. Just do this slowly and you'll be able to get it, and that is what you are going to sew around the edges of your hijab. After sewing your ruffles, the next thing is to design it with your velvet trimming. So you get this white velvet trimming which is around 1.5 inches or 1 inches wide, and then you start pleating on the upper part of your ruffles. You start pleating it on it as shown in the video here. So you repeat that also around the ends of your hijab. And that is that on how to make this beautiful instant hijab with ruffles on the edges. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section. Have a great day. Ma salam.